Humans are visual creatures. Most of the information we acquire comes through our eyes. In fact, more than half of the human brain is devoted to processing visual information. Because we process visual data 60,000 times faster than text, leveraging data visualization can help organizations unlock their full potential and meet mission goals. Introducing Advantech's PAX series of advanced medical-grade displays for superior imaging and innovations in medical care to enable sophisticated decision-making in image-guided situations. PAX series displays can be used to present important information, vital indicators, and clear, precise images for reference during critical moments and surgical procedures. Through data visualization and precise imaging, patient diagnostics and treatment outcomes can be dramatically improved. Advantech's PAX medical-grade displays, versatile and adaptable for diverse medical imaging disciplines.